Hot Book Niches Course 2. Hi, Kerry here from Dream Creative Bee and welcome to my channel. Today I am reviewing Michelle Brubaker's new course within her course series called Hot Book Niches. This is the second course of this series. Now, in this course she teaches you what the niche is, and then not only that, she actually shows you how to go about creating the book within this niche that is super subbed niche, but it's not got an amazing amount of competition. The books that are in the niche, some of them, their quality is not good, so you can easily compete, but the books that have got a bit of quality, you can improve on them. Their BSRs are pretty good, so 41,000, 92,000, 100,000, 149,000. So in this course, what Michelle's going to do is she's going to teach you about the niche, show you that there is only about 30 books there in this specific niche. Then she's going to teach you how to actually go about creating these books, but you're not just going to learn how to go about creating these books in one software. You have a choice of 4 different softwares, and those softwares covered is PowerPoint, Affinity, Photoshop and Photopea. So the front end is $27. There is 4 OTOs or 4 upsells, and I will go through them, and I will also show you inside the dashboard, and I will also show you my little mini training bonus that I've got that I think is relevant, especially if you're using Affinity. So what is this niche about? It's like a sub niche of a colouring in book sort of niche. So we've seen different sub niches take off, and the only way to actually make money is to actually be going into sub niches, especially in oversaturated markets like the colouring book for adults market. As you can see, there's over 60,000 listing, whereas this one, it returns 3,000 results, but only 30 of those 3,000 results are that specific to that niche and that keyword. And again, some of those, the quality is dire. I've purchased the books myself to have a look at them and seen what the faults are, and know that I can and have already started creating what I feel is better quality books in that niche. Now, I've taken a bit of time with it because I'm actually drawing these ones rather than using PLR or AI. So, but you can use AI, or you can use PLR, or you can use stock images on Creative Fabrica or FreePic or any of those sites. But if you don't want to be using AI, you've also got to be careful, because a lot of those sites now seem to just be filled with AI products, and some of them are not of good quality. So you need to be careful, and I think I need to do a video about that because I've not been impressed with some of the images I've found. But anyway, this is what it is. The front end is $27, and like I say, there are 4 OTOs. So the first OTO, which is $28, is you can actually get the printable workbooks that actually also walk you through the training on how to create the books in all the 4 different softwares. So you get 5 because there's a Photoshop book, a Photopea book, a PowerPoint book. You actually get 6 because you get Affinity Photo, Affinity Designer and Affinity Publisher that walks you through how to create all those books as well. So you've got the workbook, so you can watch the videos, and then you've got the workbook that you can use to actually go step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and walks you through. And they are $28. That's the first upsell. Then the next upsell is actually where you can watch the cover being created for this specific niche, showing you all the different things that you should think about, things that you should add, what makes it a good cover. It is over 40 minutes. It's different from the previous course 1 if you purchase course 1. So all these upsells are brand new. They are all relevant to course 2 niche. They're not just stuff from course 1 that's put into course 2, it's actually all brand new stuff that's relevant for this course 2 niche. So this is showing you how to design the cover for course 2 niche that you can be using, and that is $47. And then this OTO 3 is AI Fast Hacks. Again, it's brand new, it's totally different from course 1. The training is absolutely fantastic. I've learned a lot of things from the trainer from this, and it is brilliant. And again, AI is a tool. It can speed up your process. Never just take the images you get, make sure you've checked them, that there's no weird mistakes or weird looking things, and you'll see all the difference in the training. Then the upsell, the last upsell OTO, is actually you can go and purchase course 1. Now course 1 with the bonuses is $99. The original price was $97, and then it went up to $127, so you're getting it for $99. And if you want it with all the bonuses, all the additional training and the materials, it's only $253. And if you purchase this through this link, you go all the way through 4, and you purchase through my link, then you need to email me and say, hey Kerry, purchase course 1 and course 2, then I can actually send you the bonuses for course 1 as well as course 2. So there's also extra bonuses if you purchase here. There's like a couple of extra training, so I just want to go down to the bottom of the page here. There is here bonuses, so you can see the sales page. It'll be a link down in the description. You also get two live workshops included with the recording. You get a live Q&A workshop. This is included in the $27. You get any of your questions about this hot new niche answered by Michelle herself and her tech team. So a tech coaching team sort of thing. And then there's also a live repurposing presentation, and this is brought by one of the tech team or coaching team. And learn more ways to profit from this hot niche and ask questions as well. So there's different ways, different platforms that you can be using this niche and putting it out there and selling in more than one place. So that's always a good thing, having multiple streams of income. So again, the live Q&A, if you can't make it to the live Q&A, it will be recorded, so do not worry about that. So $27 gets you the front end, which gets you access to what the niche is and how to go about creating those books. It also gets you access to these 2 live workshops. And then OTO 1 is the workbooks for all the different software that is covered in the training. Then OTO 2 is the cover for this niche that is covered in course 2. And then AI is all new stuff that was created just specifically for course 2. And then course 1, OTO 4, gets you access. So let's have a look at the dashboard. So this is the dashboard. You introduce the hot niche, how to stand out from the start, your quick method, research methods, sourcing your page content, so where you can go about getting your source content. So if you're not sure, you don't specifically want to use AI or whatever, it's covered in here as well. How to create easy page development process, the 4 different ways to design a page. So that'll be for like PowerPoint and that. And then the PowerPoint method is covered, the Photoshop method is covered, the Affinity method is covered, and the Photopea method is covered as well. And then it's putting it all together. Now, the Affinity method covers putting it all together as well. It covers putting it all together in Affinity Publisher. So you've either used Affinity Designer or Affinity Photo to create the images you need for this niche, and then you've used Affinity Publisher to put it all together. Whereas Part 5 covers putting it all together from Photoshop, Photopea and PowerPoint. And then these are the bonuses, so you get an extra bonus here that's not mentioned on the sales page, and that's the PowerPoint slides. You get the Q&A workshop, which is on the 15th of January at 6 p.m. UK time, 1 p.m. Eastern, and 10 a.m. Pacific time. And again, that's on January the 15th. Then there is a live workshop that's on January the 26th, and that's usually at 3 p.m. UK, 10 a.m. Eastern, 7 a.m. Pacific time. And then these are the OTOs that I will mention. So the workbooks, the cover design, and the fast hacks. So those are all the extras. So what do you get if you purchase through my link? I'm going to be giving you a mini training on speeding up your book creation with Affinity Publisher. I cover both version 1 and version 2, and I show a bit of Windows stuff and a bit of Mac stuff. So you're covered whether you're Windows or Mac, and you're covered either you're version 1 or version 2. So that is my review. Again, the link will be down in the description. The course is $27 for the front end. Do you need all the other upsells? No, you don't. In order to create books for this niche, you only need the front end. But the other OTOs certainly help you. The cover one will certainly help you. And if you want to know a lot about AI and you want to speed up your AI learning and your AI process, then that will cover you as well. So again, the link will be down in the description.